Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'll be doing tech reviews and app tutorials. So that is the content that I'll be doing in this channel, and I have to say welcome to my channel. My name is Ian Duncan, and I'm here to teach you today how you can restrict sensitive content on your Instagram. Basically, Instagram sent an update. It now has new features, and this is one of them. You can now control what you see from your explore page, and you can now restrict some of them which are sensitive. And I'm going to give you some examples of some sensitive content that you might expect to be limited when you turn on this setting. Some of them might be fights, postal videos that have guns in them, and others might be sexually aggressive. As of now, Instagram blocks any pictures or photos that are sexually aggressive, and if this doesn't happen, you can now control it in your hands. And I'm going to also show you how it works. And basically, you can't control this if you are chatting with somebody and you are direct messages. Instagram have no control over that. Maybe in the future they'll have an update over that. Mainly, it covers the explore page and what you see basically in the explore page. They're trying to let you have some control over what you see in the explore page. All you have to do is go over to Instagram, open Instagram, go over to my profile, and that's my Instagram account, by the way. Go follow me over there, and at the top right there's an icon over there. Click it and go over to settings, click settings, and you go over to your account, click account, then you'll find the setting. It's called sensitive content control. Click it, and when you click it, you'll find three options. You'll find allow. Basically, when they click allow, you won't have filtered anything, and you might still be able to see sensitive content. The second option is limit, and basically this is where it's the default setting, and this is where Instagram will try and limit some of the posts, and maybe if you're about to see one, they'll give you a warning that gives a sensitive content, and if you wish to proceed to watch the video, you can watch it. And then that setting is limit even more, and this will happen. This will help restrict any content at all that is sexually sensitive or aggressive, posts that have guns in them. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel. We're trying to grow the channel. Leave a comment or a suggestion of the next of any tutorial that you'd like to see, and I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm out. Peace.